We have a map, a watering can, some pillows, and the mystery Mousketool. Which one do you think can help us find our way to the desert?
We need some map. Right, Donald of the Desert. The map will show us how to get there step by step.
We got ears. Say cheers! Which Mousketool can we use to cool ourselves off?
How about the watering can filled with water?
Well, a watering can is good for watering flowers. I bet it's good for watering us, too.
Good thinking, Minnie. We got ears. Say cheers!
Some pillows or the mystery Mousketool?
Oh, can we carry the sand with pillows?
No, Goofy. But maybe we can take the pillows out of their pillowcases.
Oh, and fill the pillowcases with sand.
Yippee! I knew we could use them pillows.
We got ears. Say cheers!
Oh boy, time for the mystery Mousketool.
Everybody say Mystery Mousketool!
Mystery Mousketool!
What's today's mystery Mousketool?
A big blanket? Hey, I can make a magic carpet out of a big blanket. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
We picked all our Mousketools. Say super cheers!